Right then, the Meccano Special Edition Big Ben. Which, first thing to know is, I'm kind of surprised they don't actually say on the merchandise, on the cover anywhere, that it is Big Ben. You would have thought that would be, I mean, it clearly is. You've got that, you've got sort of a version of Tower Bridge there, a version of the Eiffel Tower there. I mean, technically speaking, Big Ben is the bell inside the tower. This is the clock tower, or now the Elizabeth Tower, as it was renamed a few years ago. But, you know, again, they haven't actually got anything on there, so one wonders if they're trying to escape some sort of tax or duty if they use the real names, but not sure how that would work. Anyway, this is the Meccano Special Edition set, clearly intended to be the clock tower with Big Ben inside it, and we're going to crack on with building it. Bought this second hand from a dealer, but it does appear to be pretty much as new. Pieces inside bags, although sealed bags, so they've been resealed. The important thing is that I got these, the stickers for the clock tower, because they're the things that can go amiss sometimes along the way. So, you know, it's good to have those with us. And full instruction book. So, crack on, get the thing built. Let's see what it looks like. So there's the parts laid out, and I have to say that's a pretty decent score, is that. I only gave 15 quid for this, and I think if I didn't bother making the model and just put this in my spare parts bin, I think I'd still have done alright out of this. I mean, it's long been renowned as this set that if you're short on narrow strips, this is one that will replenish your stocks, and look at that lot, especially the Frio ones. Yeah, 32 obtuse angle brackets and all the other bits of shiny stuff. And as I say, I'm not sure what they actually go for on eBay. I think I might have got this quite cheap, so at 15 quid. But yeah, I feel I've got me money's worth there in parts. So time to put them all together and make a model out of them. Jolly good.